So now using TeamViewer, let's see how we can go ahead and connect to a remote device so that we can start controlling it. So to do that, around over here from your home, you can actually see that connect via ID to remotely access and control a device is an option. So you can go ahead right here and type in the address. So let's say, for example, I already have an address of someone else. So I'm just going to go ahead and then type in the address right here, just like this. Or you can go ahead and then copy paste it out as well. So this is the partner ID that I have. So let's just go ahead and connect it out right here. And then once I do that, it'll actually go ahead and ask me for the password right here that I need to enter out as well. So I'm just going to go around and enter out the password that the other user has shared with me as well. And then as I do this, I can go ahead and click on log on. And as I do that now, you can see that I have now access to their computer right here, just like this. So you can see that I can go ahead and then let's say, for example, simply change out how everything actually works like. So I can go ahead right here, click and drag this out right here, even go ahead and then access out their folder. So it's like I am controlling out their computer right here. On the top, you will be able to see the different actions. You can set out the quality. You have the communication option right here, even the file transfer option right here, just like this as well. And then around over here, you have the option to access out your dashboard and then access out all, send out all control delete and so forth right here. So this is simply what you have, and you can go ahead and access out their computer by using this method, and you immediately have access by using the default permissions. And that is simply how you can go ahead and connect out to a remote desktop, that is a remote device, using TeamViewer. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.